Now we're moving on to the completely opposite viewpoint.
My name is reporter Amy. Is Colin Craven lying? Everybody in Mr. Craven's manor knows about Colin, who is very sick. He is very sick and everyone says that he will be a hunchback like his father, Mr. Craven. Now, Colin plays outside with his cousin Mary and animal's friend Dickon. Colin's doctor has told him that too much excitement is bad for him and he must stay inside. Then is Colin disobeying his doctors? Is Colin lying and pretending to be sick? We had interviewed the housekeeper, Mrs. Medlock. Oh no, Colin is not lying. I am looking after Colin, but he is on a seat and he can't walk and run too, says the old lady with trembling voice. Her eyes were filled with tears as we spoke. Mrs. Medlock said Colin would never lie, but it could be true. Maybe he has to exercise, so he is lying. But isn't it very strange? After all, he is just a 10-year-old boy who would love friends.